Mumbunge wa Kipipiri Wanjiku muhia ni ahoritwo mucarisha ni komiconi ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC thutha wa kuonekana na mahitia ma miario iria komiconi ino yugite ni ya gucungira ngui mwena wa Olkalau.
Faced the cameras and uttered words in her native language, and she told the crowd, organize yourselves into groups of 10. Anyone who is not from here should leave their ATM card with their wife and their title deed with their son. Because by the time they wake up, they will either find themselves in the hospital or in Zayuni, meaning dead.
Mumbunge uyu ahoretwo faini ya milioni 1,500 kuria ahetwo mathaa 72 akorwo arihite mbeca cikuri komiconi ya ithurano, na oho agathwo ahoe muingi urekeri na andike marua ma kuhoya komiconi ya ithurano urekeri gugikinya Jumatatu kiumia giukite.
D. Directs that the Honorable Wanjiku muhia shall sign the retraction and apology referred to in C above publicly in person at the Commission's headquarters located at Anniversary Tower 6th floor at 4 p.m. on Monday, June 26. Monday will be 10th. July. Please, Secretary, please correct that date. On Monday next week, and shall then proceed to render the apology thereafter.
Oho nake mumbunge wa Naikuru ya irathiro David Gikaria ni oretio ekinye mbere ya komiconi ya ithurano thutha wake kuonekana video-ini iranyagio nenda-ini akiuga ni aheanite mbeca kuri aikia akura mwena wa Olkalau.
And for avoidance of doubt, on Monday this committee has summoned the Honorable David Gikaria, the member for Nakuru Town East, to appear to respond to allegations of breach of the code of conduct in the ongoing Olkalau by-election campaigns. As we have said, we are consolidating our gains as IEBC. We are raiding the base because it is time that we did what we must do under the Constitution.
Maya mokite riri komiconi ino ikoretwo ikiorotwo na kwirwo ndiratacukiria aria maragarara watho makinya na muno mwena wa thirikari uria urerikana urahaka aikari a Olkalau niguo gucenjia matua mao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Wanjiku, Wairungu.